Welcome to the SPSS learning tutorial. This is Shakir Ahmed. In today's tutorial, we learn how to export the data to editable formats like Word file or PowerPoint and HTML and PDF, etc. For this purpose, I first want to make some frequency tables and charts as the output for the two variables, gender of student and the grade of students, and the statistic we compute to just median and mode, and click and OK. And then the chart type, I select the histogram of the bar chart and then continue and then OK. This is our SPSS output. I want to save this output to some specific editable format like a Word file or PowerPoint or PDF and other type of most widely used extensions. So for this purpose you can just go to the option of export from here and then convert the file to the type in which you want to see your output. I first convert it to the web report, and this will save on desktop, and in code file you can browse it for your specific folder where you want to save your file or the output as SPSS tutorial output, and I just want to save it to the desktop and click on OK. If you want to see the output here, then you can tick on the open the containing folder. This will save the folder and open the folder to view its result. This is your output, and you can see the output in HTML format or web format. This is your statistics, and frequency tables for gender of student and grade of students are also obtained in web format, and this is the bar chart, and this is the bar chart for grade of students. So this is the HTML version of your output. Now I want to convert the output to the Word format or PDF format from the option, and convert the file to the PDF and then click on OK. You will see your output in PDF format from this option. This is your output in PDF format. These are the tables and these are the charts. And next we want to convert our output to the PowerPoint. You can use same option. Now I want to convert it into Word format, which is most widely applicable format in which reports and thesis are presented, or the result of the thesis are presented in Word format. So you need to change these options according to your thesis format, as the page size and page width, page height, and top margin, bottom margin, and left margin and right margin. If you want to change these options, you can click on to the change option. For now I let it as it was, and uh, save the SPSS output to the Word document extension, and click on OK. We will see the output in Word format. These are the syntaxes used for computing the results. Just cut these extra syntaxes. This is your table. For statistic, we computed two statistics, median and mode, and this is your frequency table. If you want the style or the design of the table, you can go to the option of design and then change to the specific design in which you want to display your result. And similarly, the table for grade of student and the charts are also given. Charts can also be edited here, but it is recommended that the charts can be edited better in SPSS output format, as we already discussed in chart builder lecture. So thank you for watching the video and subscribing the channel. Thank you.